Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video, we're gonna make this awesome food and restaurant website using WordPress and the powerful Elementor Pro. So let me show the demonstration of the project which we're gonna make in this video. So let me refresh this homepage again. So you can see that we have this beautiful animation coming like this, and let's go back to below. So here we have this type of section, and if I click on this, we have this pulse hover animation like this. Okay, so let's move to the next section. So after that, we have this about us section. We have also this pulse animation here on this button. Let's move to the next section. Here we have the who we are section. So here you can showcase all your content. And after that, let's go to this, and here I have this type of section where you can showcase your clients information and all, how many followers, and okay. Then after that, we have the services section where you can showcase all your services like this. And let's get back to our client section. Here we have the clients, so you can showcase your clients here like this. Okay, so after that, we have our gallery section where you can showcase all your photos like this to all the users. And after that, at last, we have the contact us section where we have this contact us form. So whenever someone click on this form, you will get the notification by using this form. And after that, we have this top to scroll button. If I click on this button, it will take me to the top. Okay, then after that, we have this beautiful animation on this menus. And if I and also there is one more menu at the top like this. And also we have this hover effect on the social icons. And if I click on the about, it will take me to the about section. Same for the dishes, services, testimonial, gallery, and contact. Okay, so let me show you the mobile responsiveness of this website. So if I go to the inspect, so you can see that this website is totally responsive for all the screen. This is the mobile version of this website, and this is totally responsive for all the screen. You can see that. Okay, so I will show you how you can make such type of awesome website using the WordPress and the Elementor Pro. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And this is the menu. If I click on this menu, it will also work here flawlessly. Okay, so let's start the video, and we're gonna make this whole website from scratch. Okay, so for making this website, I have installed WordPress installation, the fresh. So let me show the plugins which I am using. So for this I am using the Elementor and the Elementor Pro. And for the themes, so let me show the themes. And for the themes, I am using the official Hello Elementor theme. Okay, so let's get back to the pages, and here we're gonna add a new page. So I'm gonna remove all the pages from here. Okay, so let's add the new page here. And after that, we have to just add here home. And for the template, I'm gonna choosing the Elementor canvas because we want the full canvas. Okay, so let's get back to again here in the setting. We have to go to the rating option, and in the rating you have to go to the static, and from here choose the home page. Okay, so whenever if you go from here, the home page will load here. Okay, so right now we don't have any content. So after that, what do you have to do? You have to go to the Elementor, and let's go to the settings. So if you are using the old version of the Elementor, you have to do some settings. But if you are using the new version, then no setting is required. So after also I'll show you. So you have to just activate the nested elements, and after that you have to just active the Flexbox container if it is disabled, and also upgrade the swiper library, and just save the changes. Okay, so after that, let's get back to our all pages again, and after that we have to just open this edit, then edit with Elementor. Okay, let's drag and drop this here. Okay, so let's wait for it to open. So you can see that this is loaded. So after that, so let's start making this. Okay, so first we're gonna make this hero section. So for making this hero section, we have to just drag and drop the Flexbox container here, and we're gonna go to this, and here we're gonna go to advanced and remove all the padding. Okay, and after that we have to just go to here, and I will go to the images option, and I will give you all the images in the video description, so you can download all the images from there which are required for making this website. Okay, so let me upload all the images first, and I will get back to the video again. Okay, so you can see that all the images are downloaded, means uploaded here. So let's start making. So after that, we have to just choose an image. So let me choose this image now for now. Okay, so we have to just choose this image, and after that, we have to go to here in the position. We have to choose the center and center, and for the display size, we're gonna choose the cover. Okay, so this is done. Then we have to go to the layout, and here for the minimum height, we're gonna choose the 700 minimum pixel height. Okay, so this is done. So let me update this once, and after that, we have to go here, and let's go here, and we have to drag and drop an heading here. So first we have to go to this, and we're gonna make this center in center. Then here we're gonna write any name for our website. So here I have to write Yum Heaven. Then after that, go to the styles, and here we're gonna choose this, and let's change the font. So font is uh, okay. So the font is here. I'm using clicker script, so you can use any font according to you, whatever font you want to use in your website. So let's go to the here in the EM option. So we're gonna increase the size from here. Okay, so let's keep this size approx to this 12. And if you want to increase the boldness, you can also increase this. So right now you can see that the text is not properly visible. So we have to go to this container again. From here, we have to just go to the background overlay. And from here, we're gonna make this black and just use this opacity. Okay, so after that we have this text. So for that, we're gonna go to here adding, and we're gonna drag and drop these here. So let's copy this text from here. Okay, then after that we have to just copy and paste this here. Okay, let's make this white, and for this font I'm gonna choose Open Sans, or let's go to here and we're gonna inspect this for the font name. So so if you want to name any, if you want to know the any font or something, you can go here and you can do the inspect here. Like suppose click this, so it will show you the fonts Merry Water, Merry Weather. So let me go here, and here we're gonna go to this, and here I'm gonna write Merry Weather. Okay, then make this 700, and let's increase the font size again, 45. Then after that you can see that we don't have any gap, so just click on this container, go to layout, and here we're gonna give some gap of 50 like this. Okay, then after that we have to add this button. So let me close the inspect options. Then we have to add the view more button. So just go to the widget option from here, and from here just drag and drop this button here, and let's write it here view more. And also after the styles, in the style we have to choose a color for this. So let's choose this color. Let's save this color here. We're gonna write it here green. And here we're gonna choose the font. Let's choose the font for all Open Sans, and let's make this 600. And after that we have to increase some padding, so let's make this 20. And for the right and left we're gonna make this 30, and also for this we're gonna make this 30. Okay, so you can make this one more 40, whatever you like. Okay, so like this. After that we have to go to this here, and here for the overlay hover color we're choosing the black. When someone so it will become black, and after that we have to add the pulse through animation. So you can see that here you will find so many animations. So let's make this white, and let's make this black like this. Let's update. So let's go to here, and we're gonna go to view page, and let's open this. So here you can see that after opening, you can see that our website hero section is totally working. So let's get back to another section. Okay, so let's move to the next section. Here we have to make this section. So for making this, we're gonna go to this flexbox, and we're gonna choose this container here. And after that, in the max width, we're gonna choose a 1300, and the advanced option we have to write it 80 and 80 to the below. Okay, then after that we have to drag and drop a heading. Just duplicate this heading again, then go to this, then in the layout like this. Then here we have to write uh, our dishes, and here we're gonna write to every bowl. So here let's write to every bowl. Okay, then after that we have to go here, and here we're gonna make this black, and for the font we're gonna using the clicker script. And after that for this font we're gonna using this font again here, Merry Weather. So let's go to this, and here we're gonna using the Merry Weather font. Let's increase its size a little bit. Let's make this 40, 50, 45. Okay, so it is in the caps lock. So for that you have to go to the transform and make it uppercase. So let's update. Okay, then after that we have to make this type of section. So for that we have to go to the container and drag and drop a container here. So make it full width and go to advanced and remove all the padding. Then after that you can also rename here, like suppose this is the hero section, and this is our dishes section. Okay, and let's from the button we're gonna remove the border radius, so we're gonna make this 0. Okay, then after that here we have to drag and drop another 4 container. So let's first make this full width and remove all the padding. Here we're gonna make this duplicate. Maybe duplicate again. Maybe duplicate again. Then in the layout option we have to make this center and center. Okay, let's make this, and for this we're gonna choose any, so let me choose this. Okay, go to styles, and here we're gonna make this image a little bit smaller. So let me make this 60, and after that we have to just add one more image here. I'll duplicate this, and for this I'm gonna choosing the one. This is also an image. Okay, so let's me decrease its size to 20. Okay, and after that we have to add this heading. So for that we have to just copy this, and we have to just paste it here, and inside this we're gonna write uh, every piece of rice. You can write anything whatever you want. This is just a random text. Okay, so for that we don't want to use the uppercase, we're gonna use the default. Let's increase its size. Okay, then after that what we have to do, we have to just go to this, and we have to remove the other containers. So let's delete this also, delete the second one, and delete this also. Just we have to go here and we have to duplicate this. So let's duplicate this again, and one more time we have to duplicate this. Okay, so you can see that we have these three. So just we have to change the content here. So let's choose this, and for this we're gonna choose the second one. Okay, and here you have to just change the text. Then after that we have to choose this, and for this also we have to choose this. So I will give you all these images in the video description, so you can follow along by using those images. And for this also we're gonna make this 4. Okay, so you can see that here we have very less space. So what you can do, you can, for adding the space only in this, you have to just go to this parent container. So this is the parent container of all 4. Go to here and just add here 40. I'll suggest to add 30. Okay, after that let's update. So right now you can see that here we have the hover animation. So what about this? So you can just click on this, then go to styles, and here in the hover you will find so many animations here. So you can add whatever you want. Okay, so let me add this paste styles. If you copy this and paste styles, it will copy and paste all the styles automatically to all. Okay, so let's update and let's refresh our here. So you can see that we have this section also ready. Okay, so let's move to the next section. After that we have this about us section. So for making this, what we have to do, we have to just go here, great, we have to choose a 2-section layout. Here we're gonna choose this, and here in the advanced, write 80 and 80 to the bottom. Okay, here we have to write about us section. You can just rename this section, so it will be easy to understand which section is which. Okay, then this is the first one, so let's remove all the padding also, and here also we have to remove all the padding. Then we have to just drag and drop this image here. Okay, then after that you have to choose any random image. So let's choose this. So you can see that here we have this image in a circular form, but we have this form. So how you can make this circular? So for making this circular in the Elementor, you have to go to the advanced. In the advanced, you have to go to the mask option, and you have to make it circle. So this is added. So here you can see that we have this color in the background. So for that you have to go to the styles, and here we have to make this, and you have to just choose this any color here like this. Okay. Then after that we have to, you can see that we have this about the section. So for that you have to just go here, and we can copy this and just paste this here. So this is the power of Elementor. You can copy and paste anything from anywhere. Even you can copy and paste from another website. Okay, so let's try this about us. Then after that we have to just enter a random text here. So let me copy this text from here like this, and for that we're gonna choose this text here. And for this I'm gonna choose the open sans. Okay, so let's increase this. Okay, then after that we have to make this center. Okay, so this is ready. So let's update this and let's refresh our front end here. So you can see that we have this about a section here and we have also this button. So for adding the button, what we have to do, we have to just copy this from here and just go here and just paste this below and just add some text here more about us. And so you have to just change its content here. So write it here more about us. And for the background color we have to make this black, and for this we have to make this white like this. Okay, so let's update this. After that we have to just duplicate this, and after that we have to just go here and we have to make it reverse, and for this color we have to just go here and we have to make this white. Let's update. And after that just go here and here you have to just go, okay, who we are. So you can see that how quickly we have, and for this you can just choose another image. Okay, so let's update. Okay, so you can see that how quickly we make website by using the Elementor. So this is about section, this is our OVR section. Okay, so let's move to the next section. After that we have this section. So you can see that in this section this image is stuck below and all the page is loaded, but this image is not loaded, only this for this section. Okay, so for making this type of section, what we have to do, that we have to add the flexbox here and add this. Then after that we have to, let's rename this text section. So you have to just remember. Okay, so these names are for just to you remember you. So like this 1300, go to advanced and remove all the padding and edit here 80 and 80 like this. After that we have to go to this container, and here we go to the styles, and here we have to choose a random image. So let's choose any random image. I'm going to choose this image for this. Okay, so you can see that make this center in the center, and let's make this cover. Okay, so after that what we have to do, we have to go to the background overlay, and here we have to make this black, and here we make this like this. After that we have to add a container here, uh, make this full width, and here in the advanced duplicate and duplicate, and here we have to make this layout. We have to make this center, center and center. If you know the flex box you will understand what I'm doing, because these are all the flexbox properties which are used in the Elementor. So I suggest you to know the CSS first for using this. And here you can see that we have the icon library, but we're gonna upload the SVG. So I will give you the SVG file also in the video description, so you can just copy and paste the SVG. So let's choose any random SVG. So let me upload all the SVG. Okay, so I will give you all these SVGs in the video description. Okay, so we are not getting there, so let's go to again. Okay, let me upload this again. Let me upload 3 only. Okay, so let's choose this. For this we're gonna choose the stacked, okay, like this, and here we have to choose that green color, and for this we're gonna make this white. Okay, so you can see that our design is somehow similar, only the color is different, but you can play with that color. Okay, so let's increase this little bit. So let's make this 55. Okay, then after that we have to add the text. So for the text I'm gonna again using this text from here. Right now you can see that this is in the black color, so just we have to copy this and paste it here. And after that we have to make this white in color. Okay, so this is done. So you can see that on the hover this is changing its color, and also there is animation. So for that we have to go to the hover, and the secondary color for this we have to make this, let's make this white, and let's make this black. And for the hover animation we have to make this pulse grow like this. Let's update. And after that we have to just duplicate this. So let me duplicate this and duplicate this here again. Let's duplicate means remove. After removing you have to duplicate this three. Okay, so just you have to change the content from here. Let me choose this. Okay, so you have to just choose the content. Okay, so right now it is not in the white color, I think, so I'm gonna choosing this only. So you have to just choose the images. You can also choose the image from your icon library. If you go you can see that there are so many images. So let me choose any random image. Let's choose this. Okay, so for this also let me choose this any random image. Okay, let's choose this. Okay, so in this way you can add this type of section. So right now you can see that the section is working but the image is not fixed. So how you can do that image fixed, so that when I scroll the image would be fixed in the below. So for that you have to just go to here. So let me increase some, let me increase this 110. After that you have to go to the styles, and here we in the attachment we have to make this fixed. So when you scroll you can see that this is fixed below. Let's update and let's refresh this. Okay, so this section is also ready and these animations are also working. Okay, so let's move to the next section. So our next section is this section. So for this we have to just copy this here, and we have to just paste it here again. So you can see that you can copy and paste any section again. So after that we have to just, what we have to do, we have to just change. So here you have to write our impact, so you have to just change the content, or you can write services, and here you can write what we offer. Okay, something like that. And for this you can choose this type of images which I have given in the video description also, so you can just copy and download from there. Okay, so after that let's remove this. So we have this, and after that we have to just enter a random text here. So let me enter this text and make this center, and for this I'm gonna choose open sans like this. Okay, so let's update. So here you can see that we have this type something. So for that also you can, what you have to do, you have to just go here and go here and delete, then go here, delete the again. So we only want 3 at the top, so let me do this. And so right now we have these 3, and also you have to just this is the container, so let's duplicate this again. So you can see that we have these 3 sections here. Okay, so you can see that our these 3 section and the 3 section are also working fine. So now just we have to decrease this size. So let me go here, and we're gonna just copy and paste the styles here, and you have to just change the content. Okay, so let me quickly copy and paste this, and you have to just change the images from here, which I will give in the description. And after that you have to change the here in the heading and all of this. Okay. Then after that we have to just put this here, and after that this also we have to just change the content, and you have to just change the content and all, and this section is also ready. Okay, so let's update. And after that we have this section. So let me refresh this here, and here you can see that this section is also ready. Now after that we have to make this client section. So for making this also, this is also very easy. You have to just copy and paste. So let me copy and paste this section from here, and we have to just copy and paste here. And after that you can see that we have this here the background colors. For adding the background color we have to just go here, and in the styles we have to just copy and paste this style. After that we have to just go here, styles, and here we have to just paste this. And after that you can see that, so here we have to write clients, then inside this we have to remove all this. Okay, so let's update. Now we have to make this type of section. So for that you have to just drag and drop this container here, go to this, and here make this full width, and go to advanced, remove all the padding. Okay, then after that you have to add the here one more container. Okay, then make this full width also, and then remove all the padding. Then duplicate this. After that go to this parent container, go to layout, and make this center and center. Okay, then we have this two layout, so let's make this white, and here we have to add the subty. Okay, so after that we have to just add an image here. So let me choose this image. You can see that this image is circular, but here we don't have circular, so you have to go to the advanced, and here in the mask option we have to add this circle. Here you will find so many options, so choose this, I'm gonna choose this. So just go to the styles option, and here you have to just increase and decrease its size like this. Okay, then after that you have to just go here and add this and make it center, and here also we're gonna choose open sans font. Then after that we have to increase this. After that we have to just paste this, and here we have to write its name. So you can write any random name here according to you. So if you know the Elementor, you can make any type of designs. Okay, any type of custom design. So you can see that here this is at the top. For making what we have to do, let's increase this 40, and here we have to add the negative EM value. So in the bottom, not in the bottom, in the top, we have to make this like this. Okay, like this. So for this width, we have to, let's make it okay, so this much is looking good. So now you can see that we have to add some margin to the top. So let me add 60, 100. Okay, so 110. Okay, and after that you can add some 60 like this, or just keep the 40. Okay, so you can see that this is looking good. Now you have to just make these styles, and we have to add some border radius here. So let me add border radius 10. Okay, you can also add some animation to this. So when I hover on this, so we have to add animation pulse through like this. Or you can add one more good animation, I'll tell you, Bob. When you hover, so it will do it like this. I really like this animation. So after that, we have to just remove the second one, and we have to just duplicate. Okay, duplicate this. Then we have to just change its image. Okay, just change the content and all. Okay, so this section is also ready. Let me refresh this. So you can see that this section is also ready here, and also we have this hover effect, and this hover effect we don't have here. So after that, this is the gallery section. So for making the gallery, so what you can do, you can choose the gallery widget from here. Okay, so let me choose this gallery widget. And for this, so here you can see that I don't choose the gallery widget, but here I am going to show you one more different thing. Make it full width, and here to remove all the padding. So here we have to just add the padding at the top and padding at the below. So for the gallery, we have to choose here, and let's choose 6 images: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, here you can see that we have 6 images, so we have to use this. And then here we have to make this 3 like this. Okay, and then after that, go to this here, and here we have to make this uh, full. So it will load these images in the full resolution. Okay, so you can see that this is loaded. And after that, we have to add some gap between this. So for adding the gap, you can go to spacing, and let's add some spacing of this much. Let's update. Okay, so you can see that our gallery is also ready. Now let's refresh this. So you can see that our gallery is also ready, and when you click on this, you also have this type of showcase here, which we don't have here. Okay, this is static. After that, let's move to the contact us section. So for making this, we have to again copy this. Okay, so let me copy and paste this, and after that we have to just remove this whole, and here we have to write uh, reach us, and here we're gonna write contact us. Okay, let's update. Here you can see that we have this type of form. So for making this, you have to go to the form section, and let's drag and drop this here. And for this, we can go to width, and here we can add the width according to you this much. So let's say it's 70%. Here we have to make this large and remove the label. Let's make it medium. And here we have email and this. So here we have to just make this 50%. Okay, for the email also you have to make this 50%. Okay, so let's add two more. So this is for the phone number. You have to choose this. and mobile, and here we also we have to write mobile number, and for this we have to write any random text here. So here we are write choose dish, and here also we have to write choose dish. Okay, then this is done. And for the button here we have to go, and here we have to write submit. Okay, then after that you have to make this medium again. So you have to just style this. After that you have to go to this field option. Here we have to remove all the border width 0. Okay, and here we have to make this black, and here we have to make this open sans. Okay, so in the form we have to put some gaps, so let's put the gap of 15, and for this also we're gonna put the gap of 15. And for the submit button, we have to make this open sans here also, make this 600, and let's increase the font size this. And after that you have to go to the hover, and here for the background color you have to make this black, and for the text this is white, and for the hover animation also you can add some animation pulse grow, but in this I am gonna add the sync animations, sync, so it will sync below. Okay, so now just add some margin to the top, so it will have some spacing. So let's update. So let's refresh my front end. So here you can see that we have this contact us form below properly working. Okay, so you can see that our contact us is looking good. So all our sections are perfectly ready. So after that we have to just make the header and footer now. See that our all sections are ready. Now just we have to make the header and footer like this. So let's start making our header. So for making the header we have to just go to the template, and from here you have to open the theme builder. Okay, so let's wait, and then here we have to add this header. Okay, so after that we have to choose this. So here we have to choose the green color because we have to make the green color header. After that we have to make this, and in the layout option we have to add 1400. Okay, then after that we have to go here, and here we have to write icon list. Just drag and drop this here and make this, and here we have to choose the map option. Okay, then after that here we have to choose any random text. So let me choose this here, Elementor header, and after that we have to make this. Okay, so after that for the second one we have to choose this here phone like this, and here we're gonna add any random text. Okay, and then for the last one we have to choose the message, or you can choose mail option. Here we have to write yum heaven at the rate gmail.com, so you can write any random mail here, and just go to this, and here in the icon we have to make this white, and for the text we have to make this open sans, and after that we have to make this white also. Okay, so let's add some padding. Let's keep the padding to 8. Okay, and after that this is done. Now we have to add the social icon. So for that we have to add this social icon here, drag and drop this, so you can just go here and make this. Right now you can see it is not properly aligned, so for that we have to go to the layout and make it center and center, so this should be space between like this. And for this you can also add something. Suppose I want to add LinkedIn here, you can go here and add this. So you can see that for adding the link you can go here and add the link. Okay, so this should be circle, and for this we have to choose a custom, and let's decrease some size like this. Okay, then here you have to choose the custom color. For this we're gonna choose the white, and for this green. like this. Okay, like this. Then after that, all these things are ready. So after that, let's publish this once. Condition entire site use. Okay, so you can see that we have this hover effect here. For adding this is very easy. You have to just to choose this social icon, go to styles, and here in the below, you can see that we have this option. Let's add this black and make this white. And for this, you have to add the policy value. So when you go here, it will have the animations. Okay, so then after that we have to make this. So for making this, first we have to make some menus. So let's go to here, and here we have to add some menus. So let's name this menu here. Choose the header and create menu. Then after that, save menu. Okay, then after that we have to go to this custom links. Here we have to write about, and this is about. So we are upper using the CSS ID. So when this someone click on this, it will redirect to this. After that, dishes. Here also we're gonna write dishes and services and testimonials. So here we're gonna write services. Here also we're gonna write services, testimonials. After that we have to write here clients, testimonials, then gallery and contacts. So we have to read it here gallery, gallery, and after that we have to write it here contact and contact. Okay, so we are using this CSS ID here. If you know the CSS, you know why I'm using here. This is for this. When we click on this, it will redirect to the that particular CSS ID. Okay, so that's why CSS is ID is very important. Then we have to make this, and here we have to choose 1400, remove all the padding. And after that we have to add here like this, and for this we're gonna write yum heaven, and here we have to enter a span tag here. We have to close the span tag. Then after that we have to enter here style, and here we have to enter here color green. Okay, then font style would be italic. So you can see that the color is not same. So just copy this color code here, here, and here we have to go this, and here we have to enter the color code. Okay, then let's put some space, and here we have to make this black. For this open sans, we have to make this 800 or 700. Okay, then choose this. Here we have to enter 10 and 10, 20 and 20. Okay, let's update menu, and here we have to just drag and drop this. Go to this container. Here we have to make this space between and center. Okay, then after that we have to just update this. So you can see that this is the menu, and also we have to add this button here. So for adding the button, what we can do, we can just go here and we have to just copy and paste. So I will show you how you can copy and paste from one another page. Suppose I want to copy this, and I'm going to copy this from to another tab. Okay, so let me choose this, and we have to just paste it here. So you can see that you can copy and paste your section from any page in the Elementor. Okay, so here we have to just go to this, and here we have to write here you have to write view more, and after that we have to go to here, and here in the padding option we have to give a 30, then again 15, and we have to give 30. Okay, so now we have to make this. So we have to just go to styles, and here we're gonna choose the open sans font again, open sans font again, and here for the uppercase, and here we have to write it like this. Okay, then after that we have to make this 700 bold. Okay, or keep the 600. Let's keep this bold. Okay, so after that for the hover, for the pointer color we're gonna choose this, and we're gonna choose this, and also we're gonna choose this and choose this. Okay, so here you can see that this is right underline. You have to make this background. So here you will find so many options like shutter out, horizontal like this. So you can choose anyone which you want to add. Okay, so let me make this 600 only. Okay, so now it is looking good, and we have to add some spaces. So let me add some space little bit. Make this 10. Okay, let's make this sticky. Make this white color, and in the advanced option we have to go to the motion effect, and here sticky at the top, and let's update, and let's increase this little bit. Here we have to increase its font size little bit, so you can play and increase according to you. After that, let's refresh our front end. You can see that after refreshing also we don't getting our header because we are using the Elementor canvas. So we have to make this Elementor full width and just wait for it. So it will reload the whole website with the header. Okay, so you can see that. Then let's update this. Okay, then after that you have to just refresh this here. So you can see that after refreshing we are getting this here. Okay, so right now you can see that this has little bit height. So for that you can go to this and let's close this here. So okay, so now we can open this here also. So let's make this here 10 and make this 10 also. Then for this we have to make this 700 bold like this, and let's increase this a little bit. And for this we have to make this completely black. Let's update. Let's refresh now. So now you can see that we have this also, and also these animations are properly working, and also the humor is working, also this type of things are working. Okay, so you can see that when I click on this, it will take me to the menu, means the home page. So, but here we are not getting any click. For that, you have to just go choose this and go to content. Here you can add the link, or just you can go to the dynamic text and choose your post URL. Okay, so let's update. So now let me show you when I click on this, you can see that it is redirecting to its particular section. So how to do that? So you can remember that we have just added this CSS ID here to all of this. So just we have to use the CSS ID. So you can see that when I click on this, it is taking me to the top. So because I have added a CSS ID here, hero. Okay, so I think this is stuck. Okay, so now working. So we have to add the CSS ID here, hero. This is for, so this is not loading right now, so this is not any issue. Means the fonts and all. So here for this we have to write the dishes. Dishes. Okay, so it is working. Also about for this, go to advanced and you have to just write it here the CSS ID. So when you click on the about, it just redirecting to it. Here we don't have any CSS ID, so here also we don't have, this is the services. So I hope you know what is the CSS ID. We can target the CSS ID with the hash. So here we're gonna write it here services. And after that here we're gonna write here clients. Okay, so clients. After that we have this here gallery. So just go here in the advanced and here we're gonna write it here gallery. And after that we can go to this and here we're gonna write it here contact. Okay, so let's update this. And after that we have to refresh this, and after that you can see that when I click on this, it is redirecting me to its particular section like this. Okay, so now just we have to make the footer. So right now you can see that here we have this footer. So let me go to the template, go open the footer again. Then here we have to go to the footer option and here we have to add the footer. Okay, so then after that we have to just add this, and here we have to make this like this, and for the background color we have to choose this background color, and here we have to add this. So after that we have to just go here and here we have to choose the icon list option, drag and drop. Okay, so then here we have to write copyright yum Yum Heaven 2024. Uh, all rights, all right reserved. Okay. Okay. So after that, we have to choose this here, and here we have to write the copyright text, copyright icon. Okay. Then after that, go to styles, and here in the icon, we have to make this white. For the text also, we have to choose this open sans, and after that, we have to make this white again. So you can choose it here 600. Okay. So now just you have to make this center. So make this center and center. Just publish, add condition, all entire site. Here you can see the icon is little bit small, so you can go here and like this. Okay, right now you can see that we have also this scroll to top button. So for making this, you can also go to this, and here you have to just search for the widget icon. Just drag and drop this. Then here you have to just choose the arrow. Okay, then after that, for the CSS here in the link tab, we have to enter here hero. Okay, add hero. That is the hero section which we have linked away. So let's make this green, and for this we're gonna make this black. Okay, so for this we have to make this black, and for this we have to make this, let's make this green. Right now you can see that it is not fixed, so for this we have to go to the position, make it fixed, choose this right, choose bottom, and here choose 30 and 50. Okay, also if you want to add some hover animation, you can add, go to styles, hover, and in the hover animation you can add a pulse grow like this. Let's update. Let's refresh our front end. After refreshing, you can see that we have our header and footer also here working. And when I click on this, it will take me to the top. Okay, so you can see that our all things are working perfectly. Only our animations and mobile responsiveness is left. So I will not show you the whole process how you can do that, the responsiveness and all. I will do only for the 1 and 2 sections. So for explaining purpose only. Okay, so let me refresh this because it is not loading the font here. Okay, so now you can see that when I refresh it here, you can see that we have this cool animation like this. So for that, we have to just go to this. So suppose you want to add the animation in this text. You have to just click on this text and then choose, go to advanced, and in the motion effect, you can see that we have here so many types of entrance animation. Okay, so you have to just choose it here, whatever you want to add. I'm going to choose the zoom in, and for the animation delay, you have to just add some delay time. Okay, same for this, go to advanced, choose the motion effect, and here also choose the, suppose I'm going to choose the sliding up, and for this also I'm going to choose the 400, and for the view more button you have to go to advanced and go to motion effect. Here I'm going to choose the rotate in, and this is also 1600. Let's update. Okay, so in this way you can add the animations. So you can see that our animation is perfectly working. Now I will show you how you can make the responsiveness part. Okay, so for that you have to just go to this responsive media and just make this width. Okay, so let's make this header first responsiveness. Go to header. So in the header we don't want to show this first in the mobile. So just go to the, because you don't have any space. So just you have to hide it from mobile. So it will be hide. And for this also, we have to go here, and here we have to just decrease its size like this. Suppose we want this much size. So here you can see that we have this, when you click on this you can see that the container box is a little bit bigger, means it is showing you the border. So for that you have to go to the width and choose the custom. Now you can adjust it width, so it will adjust is the width like this. First let's go to styles, and here you have to just remove all the padding. So you can see that it's totally in one line. So you can see that we have this space below. So let's add this, so it will cover this like this. Now let's go to this, and here we have to let's enter 10. Okay, then for the view more button we have to just play with the button size little bit, and let's add some padding also of 10. Okay, so this is looking good. Now we have to just increase this, or let's keep 25. Now you can see that when I click on this, the menu is looking like this. Go to content, and here you can see that we have this mobile drop down. So you have to choose the full width and make this center here. Okay, like this. Then after that, what we can do, we can go to styles, and here in the drop down, we have to go to hover, and here we have to choose the green, and this should be white, and for the active also green, and this should be white. So like this. And you can also go here and play with the fonts. So here we're gonna choose the open sans. Okay, so let me see this again. Here you can see that now this is okay, so make it 0. So again you have this, just go to styles, and here in the drop down, we have to choose open sans. So let's here we have to make the 600 like this. Okay, let's update. And after that, let's refresh our front end, and you can see that if I go to the inspect option, you will see that our responsiveness header. Okay, so it is changing its position. Okay. Okay, so after that we have to just make the page responsiveness. For that we have to click on this. Right now you can see that we are in the mobile responsiveness. So you can see that it is not responsive. So what we have to do, you have to just click on this text. You have to just increase and decrease its size. So let me increase its size to this much, and for this also we're gonna make this center, and here we have to do it like that. Okay, so now you can see that we have this height here, so let's make this height 400, and for this also we can decrease the size and all. You can increase this size and also increase this size. Okay, so right now you can see that we are getting so much space, so the space is coming from this. Just make this 30. Okay, so this is done. Similarly for this, you have to just go first here. First you have to put some margin, means some padding to the top, means here 80, then 20, then 80, then 20. So in this way, and for this also you can make this center. Okay, so right now you can see that we are getting like this. So we have to go to this parent container, go to here, and here we can write 50. Okay, 50, and here you can see that we have this. Okay, so for that what you can do, you can just go here and let's put some space to the top like this, and just you have to copy this to the all. Okay, just copy and paste, copy and paste. Okay, so copy and paste. Okay, so you can see that in this way you have to just manipulate your design. So here you can see that we have this like this. So just you have to go here, and again you have to just enter 80 and 80 and 20 to the right and 20 to the below like this. Okay, so you can see that it has this. So you can just click on the image, and let's add some like this. Okay, so you can increase this here. Okay, then same for this and all for this. So let me update. So you can see that how we can make quickly website using the Elementor and the WordPress. So this is also the animations are working, and also I have shown you how to add the responsiveness part. So you can see that our header is loaded here, and also these sections are responsive, which we have done. And in the same way you can do the responsiveness to other section also. You can see that this header menu is also working, this click thing is also working. Right now the below sections are not responsive, but you can do that by the way I have shown you. Okay, so in this way you can make such type of website by using the Elementor and the WordPress. And if you want to download this pre-made Elementor kit for your project, you can download it from the video description also. I will put a link from there. You can download it from my website in a very cheap rates. Okay, so if you want such awesome website template kit, you can buy it from my website at very cheap rates. So I will put all the images and all the links in the video description, so you can download it from there. Okay, so I hope you like our video. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to the channel and like and share our videos with your friends, and I'm gonna see you next time.